Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Taker. In this one, going to the Badion's mobile game default graphics gameplay comparison test between the Infinix Note 11s device, which has got the Helio G96 processor versus Realme Narzo 30 Pro device, which has got the Dimensity 800U chipset. So let's see friends, what will be the default graphics comparison between these both phones and which phone has got what type of highest graphics you can actually play between these both phones. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So let me to enable the game mode during this process of testing. So we'll try to find out friends what's happening between the Dimensity 800U default settings versus Mediatek Helio G96 processor with a default setting. So these without using any kind of config file, no GFX files are used during this process of demonstration. So this will give the clear idea what's going on as well. And I think even this can be also applicable for even different smartphones which are having similar kind of processors. So first let me to clear everything, all this. Let's go to settings option. First, let me show you in the Helio G96 processor. Let's see which phone actually supports 60 FPS or not. So in the Helio G96 processor, you don't get any kind of 60 FPS support. Balanced and Ultra you can play, HD and high, and there is no HDR support. This is the highest graphics you can actually play in the Helio G96 processor, which you can clearly see here, it's not bad. So there is no 60 FPS support in the Helio G96 processor. I wish they could have given this kind of update. So Helio G96 processor did not support at all. Right now, let's take a look at the Dimensity 800U chipset, graphics and smooth and ultra settings, balanced ultra, HD and high, and HDR is not supported. So both Dimensity 800U and the Helio G96 processor, both processors are having exactly similar type of default gameplay graphics settings. As you can see, friends, exact. There's nothing much difference, right? Exactly. So definitely friends, in terms of the gameplay experience, you're going to experience this thing with the 60 FPS will not be supported unfortunately between these both phones. So overall the FPS might be restricted only to the 40 FPS at this moment, 40 or 45 FPS. So apart from that you cannot play any kind of other FPS. But in the Infinix Note 11s device we do have a different option which is called the voice changer is there and the magic button is there. So magic button, you can actually select the magic button option to do different tasks as well, as you can see. Right now I did select for the fire option, and next volume down button you can actually select for the reload option as well. That's also possible while using this kind of settings option, as you can see exactly friends. So let me to select the reload option. Yes, right now I did select. And now we should be able to see exactly fire button will be working and everything is going to work. And with the Dimensity 800U in the Realme Narzo 30 Pro, we do have the default option which you can actually see the real-time FPS meter, how much we can actually play while using this kind of settings. Let me to select the smooth and ultra exactly. And right now I think we will be able to get only 40 FPS. As you can see, for exactly 40 FPS we will be able to play exactly. So between these two phones, so unfortunately, as I said, only 40 FPS will be supported in both phones. And definitely it doesn't feel much kind of lag, but still having 60 FPS could have been slightly better. But using the GFX tool, I did try to play at 60 FPS. It was able to perform really great. Even with the 60 FPS, it was able to perform pretty good. Even the Realme Narzo 30 Pro also was able to perform pretty good with the Dimensity 800U chipset. Not major problem, as you can see exactly. And you will be able to get only 40 FPS during this time of gameplay testing. As you can see, friends, exact only 40 FPS between these two phones. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this quick comparison between this both processor even in the default graphics settings, and these are the graphics you can actually play between these two phones. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.